Hello everybody. In this session, we are going to discuss about find remainder. Right? This is a Codechef problem, and I will provide you the link of this problem in the description. Now let's discuss the question, what it is actually asking. So the question is, write a program to find the remainder when an integer a is divided by an integer b. Right? So you need to find the remainder when you have two integers and they are divided by each other. Right? So let's discuss what will be the input. The first line contain an integer t and the total number of test cases. So what is t? T is a total number of test cases. And then t lines follow each line that contain integer a and b. So can you see here, if I see my example, I have t as 3, right? And after that, I can enter 3 times a value, 3 times b value. That's what he is asking. Here, a value is 1, b value is 2. A value is 100, b value is 200. A value is 40, b value is 15. So this is how he's asking. And what should be the output? For each test case, you need to find the remainder when A is divided by B and display it in a new line. So you have to display it in a new line. So let's discuss that what exactly he's asking, and then we will do the coding part. So according to him, so what he's asking, I have A, I have B. All right. So here A value is 1 and B value is 2. Right. And I need to find the remainder. So how I can find it? With the sign called modulo. So this is a sign that if you write this sign, it will give you a remainder of two numbers. So the remainder of a number is decided with the help of a sign called modulo. It's a percentage sign, but in programming, it is used as a modulo sign that you need to find the remainder, right? So let's see another example that is given in the question. If you have A and B and the value of A is 100, value of B is 200, right? So what is the remainder of this? The remainder of this will be 100, right? So the sign is modulo sign. And the third example that is given with us is A value is 40 and B value is 15. Right? So you need to find the remainder. So 14 divided by 15 will give me a remainder as 10. Right? So this is how you will find the modulo. So let's see how we will do that. We have understood that with this sign, we can easily find the modulo, right? So first of all, let's read the input. The first line contain an integer t. So if you can see here, my first line should be t, right? And after this, the total number of test cases. So I need to ask user to enter the value of t. Only then he will be asking it to enter 3. Then within this t, I need to ask the values of a and b. That's what he's saying. So how we can do it? It is done through loop. That if I enter 3, right? So it is asking a user to enter the value of a and b, right? 3 times. And I'm putting my answer in this ANS integer. So in ANS, first of all, I need ask user to enter the value of a and b. Right? After entering the value of a and b, user will ask this a modulo b. Right? And then what you need to print? You need to print cout ANS and end. Right? So let's see our test cases. So if user will enter the value 3 first, that's what first value is 3, right? Then it will go here and will give the value 3, right? And then come here and it will ask user to enter the value of A and B. So what is the value? 1 and 2, right? And then in answer, he will give me the value. What is the remainder of 1 and 2? It is 1. And it will printing me 1. Can you see? Then it go back and here it is the value become 2. Then it again asks the user to enter the value of A. Here user is entering 100 and 200. And when it is entering 100 and 200, so what is the remainder? 100, right? And in the next line, it will print the value, that is 100. It will go back again and it will do once again. So then again, it is asking, okay, 40 and 15. So as soon as it is asking 14 and 15, what will be the output according to the question? So the output is, if you find, divide 40 by 15, you will get 10 as a reminder, right? So that's why it will print 10. That's it. This is how this complete function will work, right? So let's see, let's submit this code and see whether it's working or not. So let's submit it. Let's see what it, and the correct answer, your task is submitted, right? So total score is 100%. This is how you will do the Codechef program. And it is the easiest one. You have to start from a basic, then we will move forward. Thank you so much. If you're liking my video, do subscribe it. It will give me a motivation to upload more.